Hi everyone! Today, let's delve into the fascinating tale of Baloch, a ruler who reshaped an empire without even mentioning Iran. Baloch I, also known as Balash, was a Parthian emperor who quickly tackled the empire's internal strife upon ascending to power. His reign marked a pivotal shift from the Greek influences of the Seleucid era to promoting Parthian language and culture, notably the Balochi. In his roughly 30-year reign, Baloch not only revived cultural pride but also spearheaded economic revolutions. He founded the economic hub Balukhabad near the ancient city of Tisiphon, now in present-day Iraq, and even a mountain in the Zagros range carries his name. But his ambitions didn't just stop at economic reforms. Baloch expanded his empire's territory by conquering Armenia, entrusting its governance to his brother Tirdat, effectively setting up a dynastic rule there. This strategic move shifted the royal lineage from former noble families to his family, firmly establishing their rule over regions like Cherson, today's Azerbaijan, and Media. Historians often refer to Baloch I's era as a golden age, following a period of decline. His leadership was so impactful that Baloch became a title used during and after his reign. His descendants, including several named Baloch, continued to rule, enhancing the dynasty's legacy. Interestingly, after the fall of the Parthian Empire, the Baloch dynasty held its ground in Cherson against the rising Sassanid power, marking the last stand of the Parthian legacy in the region. The name Baloch eventually became synonymous with the entire area of present-day Balochestan, setting a foundation for its identity long before it emerged as a distinct entity under Mir Chakharazam. So, there you have it. A story of a ruler who redefined an empire by embracing and promoting indigenous culture and governance, solidifying a legacy that transcended centuries. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this dive into history, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more intriguing tales from the past.